hopper is normally something you store dust in, but this Baghouse, the hopper really is like a funnel. The purpose of the hopper is to funnel the dust to the bottom part here, which is called the discharge of the dust collector. At the bottom of the discharge, you have to have some sort of airlock, because this is all sucking air through, right? So if there's nothing here, it's like a big hole, it just would suck air up from underneath. So we have to have a device here that seals it, but also will let dust flow go out. So you have rotary airlocks on the bottom. That's your dust discharge valve. So the rotary valve, you know how it works, it spins. As it spins, it fills with dust. And then as it turns around, because there's multiple blades, right? When it gets to here, the dust falls out, but it still has the blades touching the side, so it keeps the seal so that air can't go up. What most people don't realize is that the ductwork part of the system is actually the part that requires the most amount of engineering and design. It's not just hooking up a hose and putting it over something. The ductwork is very carefully engineered for different sizes, velocities, airflows, all that, which we'll explain later in the class. But the ductwork system includes the ductwork, okay? It also includes this, which is the pickups. So the pickup is where we suck in the air. So sometimes the pickup hood, like you have in most places, sometimes the pickup is directly connected, like a hard connection into the machine that you're venting. So imagine you have like a big box that inside they're grinding, cutting, whatever. Sometimes you put the hood and it connects physically to the box. Other times, like here, we have the furnace, you have the hoods over the top. A lot like the hood like in your kitchen, or at the kitchen in a restaurant, right? That sucks up all the smoke that goes up. Works basically the same way, okay? We're letting all the dust, smoke, steam, everything that we don't want go into the hood, and then it gets sucked into the dust collection system. You also have this device in a lot of your big systems. So this device we call a spark arrest. They call it spark arrestor here. And what this does is it is a kind of pre-filter for the Baghouse in a certain way. So it removes some of the big pieces without using filters. That way what goes to the Baghouse is only the dust. It also has the benefit of breaking up all the big pieces or removing the big pieces that could be burning or on fire. So for that reason they call it a spark arrestor here in the plant. And it has the same kind of thing. It discharges into a steel drum in most cases instead of a super sack. But it's basically a pre-filter to the dust collector.